Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to share what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. In a previous video I mentioned that I picked up something from Louis Vuitton and it was getting sent to me, so I received it finally and I wanted to just quickly share what it was inside. You might recognize this outfit because I literally just finished filming a video, but I thought it would just be easier to quickly film it so that I could share before too much time had passed. I was able to get the holiday packaging, which was very exciting. I have to say I'm a huge fan of this year's Louis Vuitton holiday packaging. I don't know if anybody else feels like that. I think it might be fun to do like a comparison of everyone's holiday packaging because I've seen like the recent Gucci holiday packaging with all of the hologram, and I really love last year's Chanel, so I don't know. I just think it would be fun to like look through all of them and see what we think. But anyway, so I received the item that I picked up, and I think I mentioned in that video that this is from the holiday animation collection. So it came in this little envelope, if you will, with the white ribbon. I think the white ribbon's also for holiday. And let me put this down. Again, it comes in this little box here. I think you might be able to tell what it is. And if you open it, again, there's another little cover. And I picked up the little notebook. This is the Paris illustration. This is little Vivienne in Paris with the Eiffel Tower. There's a car and the illustration goes to the back that has a lot of Louis Vuitton little shopping bags and also some luggage in the back, and a tree. It kind of looks like a cherry blossom tree with the Louis Vuitton little charm. I don't know what else to call it. The pages are like gold tipped, and it comes with 2 sheets of stickers, which I thought was adorable. And the stickers actually cover all 4 of the main cities or illustrations, right? So there's Paris, Venice, I think Shanghai, and a city in Switzerland for the ski resort, and I can't remember what the name of the city was, but those are the 4. This is what I picked up. It is a notebook. It just is a lined notebook, and on the inside, let me see if I can find one. I think one's right here. There are little illustrations on the inside. Wait, can I get to the page? There we go. As you can see, and they just run throughout. Oh, there's a color version as well, which is really exciting. I'm personally somebody who really likes stationery. I have loved it since I was a kid, honestly. So that's why I love this notebook. I have to be honest, every year when Louis Vuitton comes out with their animation series around Christmas time, every year I fall in love with the animation or the illustration, and I want to get something from that collection. That's like for the past 4 years. And to this date, I hadn't purchased anything from any of them because, one, it's super hard to get those items. I feel like everybody is like on it as soon as they're available, so they're like gone before I can even think about if I want one. 2, mostly because I would end up getting a small leather good, and I don't use full-size wallets, so those are usually not really an option. So then the items that I want are usually the round coin purse or the mini pochette. And I don't carry around a lot of cash, so I'm not sure what I would use a round coin purse for. I'm sure there are other creative usages for it, but it's one of those items that I'm like, do I really need it? And then the other item is the mini pochette, which I could use as like a catch-all in some of my larger bags, and I can use it as a handy little bag on its own as well. But a lot of my handbags are small, so I wouldn't really be able to use it for a lot of them, and then I get into this whole like spiral of, then do I really need it? Am I trying to get it just because it's cute? Like, what am I actually going to do with it? And then eventually time has passed and it gets too difficult to get a piece from that collection, and then time keeps going, right? This year though, I just really loved this print. This one in Paris in particular. I love the one in at the ski resort as well, but that's like really seasonal in my opinion. But this one is like super cute. Like, you can use this any time of the year. It's not like seasonal in that aspect. It's seasonal in when it came out, but not so seasonal during the year. So I really love this Paris print, and I really wanted something that had this print on it, which I think was this notebook. There might have been like a couple wallets or like a wallet design that had this, and then a mini pochette. So when I went into the Louis Vuitton, I could have gone on the wait list for the pochette with the Paris print on it, but I decided I would just get this notebook and have it to use like for years. I'm actually really impressed with the notebook itself in terms of like the quality and the finishing of the canvas. I'm really excited about picking this up. I really like this animation. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video sharing what I recently picked up from Louis Vuitton and the holiday animation or illustration series. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram, and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content, I post new videos every Sunday. If you'd like to be one of the first to know, then feel free to subscribe. So until next time, bye!